Xcel Energy is warning of possible power shutoffs this week as extreme fire weather moves into our state. Strong winds along the Front Range could reach dangerous levels tomorrow.
That's right. Weather Impact Team meteorologist Jane Knowles is joining us now. And Jane, we have seen here in Colorado just how dangerous and destructive, even deadly, these high winds and dry weather can be in the month of December.
Yeah, that's right, Jordan. Especially years past, we know that if a fire starts, it can spread rather quickly. And that's the reason Xcel Energy says this would be a last resort safety step if wildfire conditions become extreme. Winds along the Front Range could gust up to 90 miles per hour on Wednesday, raising concerns about wildfire risk. Now, Xcel Energy says if conditions worsen, it may use what's called a public safety power shutoff, temporarily cutting electricity to reduce the chance power lines could spark a fire. Now, the utility says that these shutoffs are only considered during extreme or critical fire weather and are based on factors like wind speed, low humidity, and dry vegetation. Now, customers who could be impacted would be notified in advance through phone calls, text, emails, and alerts on Xcel's website and outage map.
That criteria and what we're really looking at is we're looking at wind speed, particularly wind speed that is in the 99th percentile or 97th percentile or higher along the Front Range. And it also includes relative humidity and fuel moisture index.
Now, here on the Front Range, Xcel says there are some steps you can take to prepare, like set your fridge and freezer to the coldest setting and keep those doors closed during the outage. Now, this will keep your food fresh for up to 4 hours in the fridge and 2 days in the freezer. Turn off or unplug any appliances that could surge when the power comes back on, and also a good idea to charge up your phone and other important electronics. Now, here's one most people forget. If you have a garage, practice opening it without the power. That way you can still get to your car, and if you have a generator, make sure you have a safe outdoor space to run it. Now, if you spot down power lines, you can report it to Xcel on their website, and you can also use the map to see whether your neighborhood may be impacted by the safety shutoff with wind speeds potentially gusting up to 90 miles per hour. That's one of the main reasons why we've issued that weather impact alert for tomorrow. And Katie, this is a situation where people really need to be prepared and take the proper precautions, because we will still be tracking this as we head into tomorrow with the timing and updates. But for now, I'm going to send it to you, Katie.